Welcome to GK Guruji channel. Today we start a new general science, biology MCQ type question series asked in various exams. Questions are very important in exams. So read and note all question carefully. Also we have completed easy GK series MCQ type question most important in exams. See those videos, link in description box. Let's start. Welcome to GK Guruji channel. Today we read most important biology, plant tissue culture and diseases MCQs type question. This question are very important in competitive exams and question asked in many previous exams. Okay, let's start. 1. Who is known as the father of tissue culture? Options are A. Bonner, B. Liebach, C. Haberland, D. Gauthieret. Answer is C. Haberland. 2. The production of secondary metabolites requires the use of blank. Options are A. Meristem, B. Protoplast, C. Axillary buds, D. Cell suspension. Answer is D. Cell suspension. 3. The pair of hormones required for a callus to differentiate are blank. Options are A. Ethylene and Auxin, B. Auxin and cytokinin, C. Auxin and abscisic acid, D. Cytokinin and gibberellin. Answer is B. Auxin and cytokinin. 4. What is dimethyl sulfoxide used for? Options are A. A gelling agent, B. Cryoprotectant, C. Chelating agent, D. An alkylating agent. Answer is B. Cryoprotectant. 5. The formation of embryoids from the pollen grains in the tissue culture medium is due to blank. Options are A. Organogenesis, B. Test tube culture, C. Double fertilization, D. Cellular totipotency. Answer is D. Cellular totipotency. 6. Synthetic seeds are produced by the encapsulation of somatic embryos with blank. Options are A. Sodium acetate, B. Sodium nitrate, C. Sodium chloride, D. Sodium alginate. Answer is D. Sodium alginate. 7. Totipotency refers to blank. Options are A. Development of fruits from flowers in a culture, B. Development of an organ from a cell in a culture medium, C. Flowering in a culture medium, D. All of the above. Answer is B. Development of an organ from a cell in a culture medium. 8. Which of the following is the main application of embryo culture? Options are A. Clonal propagation, B. Production of embryoids, C. Induction of somaclonal variations, D. Overcoming hybridization barriers. Answer is D. Overcoming hybridization barriers. 9. In tissue culture of parenchyma, mitosis is accelerated in the presence of blank. Options are A. Auxin, B. Cytokinin, C. Gibberellin, D. Both auxin and cytokinin. Answer is D. Both auxin and cytokinin. 10. In which of the following conditions do the somaclonal variations appear? Options are A. Plants raised in tissue culture, B. Plants exposed to gamma rays, C. Plants growing in polluted soil or water, D. Plants transferred by a recombinant DNA technology. Answer is E. Plants raised in tissue culture. 11. Haploid plants can be obtained from blank. Options are A. Anther culture, B. Bud culture, C. Leaf culture, D. Root culture. Answer is A. Anther culture. 12. In plant tissue culture, the callus tissues are generated into a complete plantlet by altering the concentration blank. Options are A. Sugars, B. Hormones, C. Amino acids, D. Vitamins and minerals. Answer is B. Hormones. 13. Which of the following is cultured to obtain haploid plants? Options are A. Embryo. B. Nucleus. C. Apical bud. D. Entire anther. Answer is D. Entire anther. 14. Which of the following vectors is used in crop improvement and crop management? Options are A. Agrobacterium. B. Plasmid. C. Cosmid. D. Phasmid. Answer is A. Agrobacterium. 15. Which of the following growth hormones produces apical dominance? Options are A. Ethylene. B. Cytokinin. C. Auxin. D. Gibberellin. Answer is C. Auxin. 16. Hybrids are produced by options are A. The nucleus of one species but cytoplasm from both the parent species. B. The fusion of two same nuclei from the same species. C. The fusion of two different nuclei from different species. D. None of the above. Answer is E. Nucleus of one species but cytoplasm from both the parent species. 17. Which of the following mediums is composed of chemically defined compounds? Options are A. Natural media. B. Artificial media. C. Synthetic media. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Synthetic media. 18. Which of the following chemicals are most widely used for protoplast fusion? Options are A. Mannitol. B. Polyethylene glycol. C. Sorbitol. D. Mannal. Answer is B. Polyethylene glycol. 19. Which of the following plant cells shows totipotency? Options are A. Cork cells. B. Meristem. C. Sieve tube. D. Xylem vessels. Answer is B. Meristem. 20. What is callus? Options are A. Tissues that grow to form an embryoid. B. An unorganized actively dividing the mass of cells maintained in a culture. C. An insoluble carbohydrate. D. A tissue that grows from an embryo. Answer is B. An unorganized actively dividing mass of cells maintained in culture. Diseases. Now MCQs on diseases. Like, share, and subscribe our channel to get most important general science MCQ type questions. Thank you. Let's start. 1. Diseases that spread from one person to another are called blank. Options are A. Communicable diseases. B. Degenerative diseases. C. Non-communicable diseases. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Communicable diseases. 2. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiencies of blank. Options are A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin E. Answer is A. 3. Which of the following diseases is an example of non-communicable diseases? Options are A. Cancer. B. Diabetes. C. Hypertension. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. 4. Alzheimer's and osteoporosis are examples of blank. Options are A. Communicable diseases. B. Degenerative diseases. C. Non-communicable diseases. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Degenerative diseases. 5. Excessive bleeding during an injury is a deficiency of blank. Options are A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin E. Answer is C. Vitamin K6. Goiter and the enlarged thyroid gland are mainly diagnosed in patients with deficiencies of which of the following minerals? Options are A. Iron. B. Iodine. C. Calcium. D. Phosphorus. Answer is B. Iodine. 7. Cystic fibrosis and haemophilia are examples of blank. Options are A. Hereditary diseases. B. Degenerative diseases. C. Deficiency diseases. D. None of the above. Answer is E. Hereditary diseases. 8. Which of the following diseases is caused by various pathogenic microorganisms? Options are A. Deficiency diseases, B. Hereditary diseases, C. Infectious diseases, D. Degenerative diseases. Answer is C. Infectious diseases. 9. Which of the following diseases is caused by protein deficiency? Options are A. Anemia, B. Kwashiorkor, C. Hypothyroidism, D. All of the above. Answer is B. Kwashiorkor. 10. Which of the following vitamins is also known as ascorbic acid? Options are A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin E. Answer is C. Vitamin C. 11. The deficiency diseases can be prevented by blank. Options are A. Prolonged cooking, B. Eating only fruits, C. Eating only vegetables, D. Eating food with good nutritional value. Answer is D. Eating food having good nutritional value. 12. AIDS, common cold, dengue fever and influenza are examples of blank. Options are A. Deficiency disease, B. Infectious diseases, C. Physiological diseases, D. Non-infectious diseases. Answer is B. Infectious diseases. 13. Which of the following vitamins helps in blood clotting? Options are A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin K. Answer is sad face, D. Vitamin K. 14. Which of the following vitamins functions as both hormone and visual pigment? Options are A. Thiamine, B. Retinol, C. Riboflavin, D. Folic acid. Answer is B. Retinol. 15. Which of the following vitamin is also known as niacin and plays a vital role in many digestive tract functions? Options are A. Vitamin B1, B. Vitamin B2, C. Vitamin B3, D. Vitamin B12. Answer is C. Vitamin B3. 16. The deficiency of vitamin E leads to blank. Options are A. Soft bones, B. Bleeding in gums, C. Weakness in muscles, D. Neurological disorders. Answer is C. Weakness in muscles. 17. Xerophthalmia caused due to the deficiency of blank. Options are A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin E. Answer is A. Vitamin A. 18. Which of the following is not an infectious disease? Options are A. Dengue, B. Scurvy, C. Typhoid fever, D. Whooping cough. Answer is B. Scurvy. 19. Which of the following is the main cause of blindness in children worldwide? Options are A. Glaucoma, B. Cataracts, C. Protein deficiency, D. Vitamin A deficiency. Answer is D. Vitamin A deficiency. 20. Amoxicillin, doxycycline azithromycin, and penicillin are some examples of blank. Options are A. Bacteria, B. Pathogens, C. Antibiotics, D. Vaccinations. Answer is C. Antibiotics. Thank you so much watching this video. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.